Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the new updates from Young Living. Basically, they just changed the way to shop, the way to become a member, a couple of terms. It's really simple, but I feel like this video just needs to be done. Really, I'm doing it for my team currently, but for all of my subscribers here, in case you were curious about Young Living before, but you're like, I don't want to join an MLM, I don't want to join a team and do all of these things. They've just made it a lot simpler to shop with Young Living. And so I'm going to go over all that. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet and leave room for questions, and I will answer all the questions in the comments because I don't want to talk too much and confuse you. So, which I feel like I've already done. So let's start with the two new terms. So before you were a member, and then you had all these ranks. And I think what people got nervous about is that as soon as they signed up, first of all, you had to buy a starter kit. And some people didn't want to spend $160 and they didn't want to become a member and join this team. So now you're either a customer or a brand partner. Yeah. So there are two terms. So when you go and shop, you just want lavender or you just want cedarwood. You go and shop and you buy cedarwood or lavender. If you set it up on subscribe, where you get it every 1, 2, or 3 months, you get 24% off. You don't have to start Young Living with buying a starter kit, which I think a lot of people are going to like and appreciate. So the customer, what their definition is, a customer is someone who simply wants to shop Young Living products. And then there's a brand partner, which some people were just grandfathered into being a brand partner, like myself. In order to be a brand partner, you have to enroll someone with Young Living, earn a check from Young Living, achieve the rank of star or higher, or purchased a business tool, which is a new little package of things, kind of resources to help you start and launch your Young Living business. Okay, so I hope that was simple. There are just basically two types of Young Living customers, members, whatever you want to call it, the brand partner and the customer. Another thing I love is that now, like before, when I was sharing my link, if you want to shop Young Living, here's my link. It was, you have to join, and it was just this thing. I feel like that scared people because they didn't want to buy a whole kit, or they didn't know how to use it, or they didn't want, it was just a very specific way and things that you had to do. So now if you want to shop with Young Living, and using my link now is just basically like an affiliate link in my opinion. Like, here's my link to shop. If you want to shop one product, great. If you want to shop a bundle of products, awesome. Whatever you want to do, like, and that's how I feel like that's how it should have always been. I am a blogger, so one of the main sources of my income is affiliate links, and I feel like the Young Living was just a little tricky. So I feel like it's going to be a lot easier for people, and people are going to be more comfortable shopping this way. So I'm excited. I'm happy about it. And again, if you have any questions on how any of it works, just let me know. Because affiliate link, if you aren't familiar with that, is I get a commission. I get paid based on you shopping from my link and purchasing something. So just a disclaimer there. Okay, so the 24% off discount, that was originally like, if you're a member, you get the discount. If you're not a member, you can shop, but you're not going to get a discount. So now if you want the 24% off, all you have to do, it's very easy, and I'm very excited about this. You just have to, 1, place an order of 100 PV, which is basically dollars, 100 per year. That's awesome. Like, buy just a bundle of oils. Maybe they'll last you all year, then good. You get your discount, you're good to go. Or just place an item, the item that you want a discount on the subscribe to save, which is 1, 2, or 3 months. And I will insert a clip here of what my little dashboard looks like when you go in there and shop. Okay, so here is where it will show your monthly order. It's just slightly different, you guys. It's not a huge change, and you can change whether you want this product every month, every 2 months, or every 3. And then if you have it on monthly and you decide you don't need it this month, you can just skip. And then it will show if you have a skipped item right here, that one is like grayed out. And then if you want to unskip it, you're like, I actually do need that product this month, you can unskip. It's really user-friendly, it's very easy to use, and I just think it makes ordering so much easier. Your points will also be in your account too, and anything over 50 each month, or if you spend over 50 PV each month, you'll earn points. So your points are here, and then it will show you how many points you have, how many are expiring, your earn rate, which this is the highest, and then how many months you've been on Essential Rewards, which is now just their loyalty rewards program. So easy, you guys. They seriously needed to do this, and they knew it. I mean, obviously, but it was just old. It was old school. It was weird. Not weird. It was just old, and like, you got to keep up with the times, right? It's so simple now. It's so easy. It's like a click, click, click. You do whatever you want. It's all right there. It's not confusing at all, and there's not different areas for different things. So I am so impressed. I love it so far, and it's been like 3 days that this has rolled out to me, and I believe everyone now. So where was I going with that? I'll put a little, of my dashboard of my subscribe to save. But if you want that discount, you just put, so you want lavender, but you want to get 24% off, like why wouldn't you? You just add it to your 1, 2, or 3 month subscription. But what I love is that if you have it on, you want it every 3 months, but then you come to your time where it's gonna ship again and you don't need it, you can just skip. So it's not tricky or confusing in any way. It's very straightforward and simple and seamless. I haven't had any issues with it yet. I am excited for everyone to start using it too. And to circle back on the other way to get your discount, so if you purchase or place an order of 100 PV, you get your 24% discount for a year from that. So it's a rolling kind of calendar thing. So you place your order tomorrow or today, and it's 150 PV, then you have your 24% discount until today, July 11th of next year. Hope that makes sense. And then this is straight from them. So purchase 100 PV or greater at any time and unlock the 24% discount for a rolling 12 months. Like I said, this can be a mix of products that are equal to or greater than 100 PV. You must have an account with Young Living, and after 12 months, you will need to place another order of 100 PV to get your discount again for the next year. And then the other way is to put an item on subscribe to save, which I am beyond excited. If you watch my videos, you know, before Young Living, I had all of the products that I get from Young Living, I used to get from Amazon, and they were all on my Amazon subscription. And it's basically the same thing now, and I am so excited about it because it's clean, you get points, you get free stuff, but it's Young Living, and it's so exciting. So if a new brand partner or customer hasn't already unlocked your 24% discount with a one-time 100 PV order, you can unlock the discount with setting up a subscription. As long as the brand partner or customer maintains an active subscription, no matter the frequency, they will keep their discount on all Young Living purchase. I think that is so awesome. You put lavender on your subscription for every 3 months, because who doesn't need lavender that often? Like, we use it every day. Then you get your 24% off discount. It's amazing. I love this new structure, style, business, whatever it is. Okay, the next thing that it says, note, an active subscription order does not require a 50 PV minimum. Okay, so Essential Rewards is now changing a little bit. It's now called loyalty program, loyalty rewards. So it works similar, but it is a little different. So you can have your subscription, and that doesn't have to be $50 or 50 PV minimum to have a subscription to get your discount. But if you want the rewards part, which is the free stuff and the points back, you have to do 50 minimum per month, which is the same. That doesn't change. So don't get that confused. So if you want your discount, just do a product on subscription or place a 100 order. If you want the points and all of that loyalty, you still have to do 50 per month. And again, it's super easy to go on and see what you're getting that month. Make sure it's over 50 so that you get your, loyalty, all of that. But it's just so easy. So let me know if you have any questions. I think that's all I wanted to share for now. I have a lot of videos on different Essential Rewards orders, which I'm kind of sad it's not going to be called Essential Rewards, because that was my main video that I did every month. I will still share my monthly unboxing, my loyalty rewards box, but I have a bunch of ideas. What I was gonna say got sidetracked. Go back to my Essential Rewards videos, and I have a bunch of different ideas on what you can order each month. But if you have any need ideas or recommendations, let me know. Hope you like these changes. It makes it just easier to shop, less complicated, easy, straightforward, and I am very impressed. I like it. whatever questions you have, leave in the comments and I will answer them there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.